Still on Senator Lacson, he said that Bulacan 1st District Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez is hesitating to turn over his computer, which contains crucial evidence in the flood control probe. The Senate allowed Hernandez to return home for 12 hours on Saturday to retrieve his documents and computer at his residence. But Lacson, who chairs the Blue Ribbon Committee, learned on Sunday night that the beleaguered engineer changed his mind about surrendering the device at the behest of his lawyer. Lacson said Hernandez will face consequences if he won't turn on this equipment.
I will cancel the legislative immunity na binigay sa kanya, and we will not recommend him to be admitted into the Witness Protection Program.
But in an earlier interview with Ted Filon and DJ Chacha on True FM, Lacson said Hernandez only changed his mind upon seeing agents from the CIDG or Criminal Investigation and Detection Group.
Nandun yung OSAA kasama si Bryce Hernandez. This was last Saturday. May mga dumating na si IDG agents doon. Parang kumbaga medyo nagbago yung isip ni Bryce Hernandez. Hindi agad niya tinan over yung computer. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit may mga CIDG agents na nagpunta ron.
And we now speak to the lawyer of Bryce Hernandez, Attorney Raymond Fortun. Good evening, Attorney Fortun, and welcome to The Big Story.
Hi, Sense. Good evening, and thank you for inviting me.
So now it's time to directly get from you what is the situation with respect to the computer and other evidence that Bryce Hernandez has in his possession.
Oh, so let's go back to the premise. No? Last Saturday, si Bryce was given the chance to go back to his home to take a look at his computer because ang sabi niya is that mahirap magturo ng mga tao unless meron kang evidence. So we came there in order to get the evidence that was needed by the Senate. Now the problem was that the promise was that he would be turning over certain evidence. Wala namang sinabi si Bryce na ibibigay yung buong computer niya. Now, upon discussion with his lawyers, myself and Attorney Ernest Lavanza, now we have decided that to speed up and to assist the real entity that has been tasked by our president to investigate these anomalies, to give the entire computer to the ICI. It will facilitate everything, and for sure, ICI will be the better entity in order to be able to come out with a credible investigation that will be acceptable to the public.
And it is now with the ICI, the computer?
Right now, hindi pa, Cese. The problem is that even the family of Bryce is now having second thoughts about this plan. Because, as you may have already heard, in that earlier interview given by Senator Lacson, there's, in effect, a threat. And it is a real threat that when there's going to be a subsequent hearing by the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, that Bryce will now be stripped of his legislative immunity. Now, what does that mean? Any time that a resource person would go to the Senate, meron siyang effectively na assurance that whatever he says is not going to be covered by libel laws, no? So somehow it will encourage resource persons to speak freely. Now, once you strip a resource person of this legislative immunity, then matatakot na siya. Because now, anything that he say, which is defamatory to another person or even to an entity, he cannot be subjected to libel laws, and it will be very difficult now for Bryce to speak freely. He wants to tell all, he wants to cooperate with whatever efforts made by the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, pero with that kind of a threat, kahit din ako, anybody, any resource person will think twice about going and speaking before that committee. Kasi matatakot siya.
But attorney, the threat only materialized because parang kumbaga nagka-atrasa na sila di ba? He was only allowed out to be able to get the documents and the computer. And of course, when he refused to turn it over, that was the whole reason for him being allowed out, right? So maybe...
Well, what happened is we've already turned over a number of documents to the Senate, and that was the promise. no, that there would be evidence to support Bryce's accusations against certain individuals. But there was no promise that the entire lock, stock, and barrel, no, is going to be given to the Senate. So binigyan na po. In fact, I think earlier there was an interview also by Senator Lacson that these documents had been sealed. They had been sealed already. They are in their custody. All they have to do is just now open the sealed documents. And I have it really on authority that there were in fact documents which were turned over to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. That was the promise. Now, with regard to the computer, parang ang nangyayari dito is they now want also to get this computer. And the intention of Bryce is also to assist the ICI in its own investigation, because Bryce also believes that the ICI should also be given a free hand in order to help, no, in the public's desire for not only for accountability but also for transparency.